It's a puppet making class technically. We are doing tabletop puppets.
Paint the face later.
What is exciting about it is that they're all doing fairies and demons, which is a theme we all collectively decided to do.
This is my puppet. She's a psychic. I haven't decided if she's like a demon or a fairy yet. She's somewhere in the middle.
Just like a fairy queen inspired by like drag culture and like Bratz dolls, sort of, I guess.
It kind of just turned more demon than fairy.
Oh, he's not named yet. He's just a little guy so far. I think I'll have to wait for it to be completely realized and then he'll tell me his name.
Initially I was thinking, oh, what if I made something super deep and had like a really like significant artistic meaning, but then I realized, you know, I also want to have fun in this class, and what do I like more than frogs? So I thought it would be really fun, just like an enjoyable idea to make a frog fairy.
We're gonna want to start on the body, and we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna want to like multitask today.
This was one of those classes I was like, never in a million years did I think I'd be designing and making a puppet. So it was just like, when I saw that class and signed up for it, I was like telling everybody. I was like, I'm taking puppetry design this semester, and it was one of those things that everyone was like, oh my god, that is so cool. You're gonna literally have like a puppet at the end of this class.
For me, it was really interesting because some of them said that they've never actually sculpted before, and then they turn out being like amazing like sculptors and in a way designers. So it's just really nice to be able to like explore and see like what else we are capable of doing that we've never done before.
And we started pretty much from the very beginning with character design, just building our character, our puppet from the ground up.
I'm not really a 3D artist most of the time, but when I do get into 3D art, I really like making little characters.
I'm happy. She came out better than I could have anticipated.